So this is the Rimac one right here. I just got in. So let's walk around the car. It's sitting on Pirelli P0 tires. It's probably every car right here. As you can see in the details, the wheels are all carbon fiber. Pretty cool. There's a carbon fiber right here in the bumper. Pretty interesting looking headlamps with Rimac written right here. Even the Rimac logo is actually carbon fiber. Carbon fiber here again. So there's carbon fiber here as well. This is how it looks. Let's actually walk around the car and then I'll show you the inside. So there's another carbon fiber bit right here, of course. Carbon fiber down here as well. A little carbon fiber vent to cool down the brakes. The whole rear end is actually carbon fiber as well. Look at these beautiful headlamps. Huge diffuser right here. I suspect that the headlamps are maybe used as an air vent as well. I'm not sure about that. The spoiler is on carbon fiber stands. Alright, so as you can see, it's looking pretty good. Alright, so the mirror is half from the carbon fiber. You can see there's basically carbon fiber everywhere. Let's have a look at the interior. So the interior is all brown leather. It's actually matte leather. It's looking pretty cool. Everything here is touchscreen and everything. There are no analog gouges, and the only buttons that there are in this car are right there. As you can see, the vents are pretty cool. Here's the detail of the steering wheel. Carbon fiber right here, all around. It's carbon fiber on the ground. It's carbon fiber monocoque. Carbon fiber on the doors. The roof is half carbon fiber, half plastic. There's actually a camera right here. I don't know what for, but there's actually a camera right here. Anyway, look at the interior. These touchscreen dials are pretty cool. There's a big iPad looking like screen stick exactly into the middle, and I'm gonna walk around. You can actually see that even passenger has its own display. Right here. The floor mats are also leather, the same leather type as the seats, and then there are these cool blue leather headrests. It's a very cool looking car. It's full carbon fiber monocoque. So let's have a look right here, and as you can see, there are actually two carbon fiber helmets strapped onto the back of the car with the same blue color straps as the headrests right here. So it looks incredibly cool. You can see the back camera right here, all carbon fiber Rimac license plate. Here at the Geneva Motorshow 2019. I have to say that this car looks incredible.